Today I will show you how to convert Figma Design to ReactJS. Start by opening your project in Figma. Once your design is open, you are ready to use a tool that will help turn your visual design into React code. To convert the design into ReactJS, you will need a plugin called FigRoot. To find it, move to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Figma icon. A menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the Plugins option. When the side menu opens, choose Manage Plugins. Type FigRoot in the search bar. When you see the plugin, click on Run to run the plugin. Now go back to your design on the canvas. Click on the part of the design that you want to convert. This could be an image, a button, a header, a text block, or any other part of your layout. When the selection is made, the FigRoot panel will show the generated ReactJS code for that element. Look through the generated code to make sure it matches what you expect. When you are ready, click on the Copy button inside the plugin. Now open your React project in your code editor and paste the code into the correct component file. Thanks for watching.